from this song, I was a little confused when I heard it before. What I take from this, it was confusing to me. What I take from this song is anybody who comes from a church background or is in the church world, the expression, "be overcome by the word of your testimony." That's what this song says to me, that if we have these lives, we have these stories, we have this history that we never talk about, these experiences that we never talk about, how are we going to heal and how are the other people going to heal? We have all these people who've been through things and don't talk about it, and we wonder why our children are struggling, because we haven't talked about our struggles. And they're going through the same damn thing, right? So that's what this song means to me.